Hi guys, this is Sarita. I'm back with a new concept with window handles. So window handles. So basically if I want to handle a window, suppose for example, I'm having one application where I'm clicking on this application. Whenever I'm clicking on this tab, it is opening in the new tab. I want to get this text. So to get this text, what I'm going to do, I will create a simple program to switching to the new tab. Let's see it will work for us to get the text or not in normal switching program. So I want to switch to the particular tab. So to switching to the particular tab, what I want to do, just for my convenient, I'm just copying this one. I want to copy this URL also. Every time to write this one, I'm just copying this one. So once I have gone to this URL, what I want to do, I want to click on here. So I'm inspecting this one. So here I'm having a button. So driver dot find element by dot id. So id value I have copied this one. I want to click on this one. So once I have clicked on this one, so I want to get the text. So what once I am clicking here, I'm getting the text. So I'm just copying the text. Dot find element by dot. I want to copy this text. So I'm inspecting this text and I'm trying to copying this one. ID I'm having. System.out.println. Text. I want to get this text. So I will run in the debug mode. So what is the issue? We will see it here, whether it is clicking on this one or not. So what error we are getting, or it is running successfully, getting the message or not, we will see it here. Once it has entered to this URL, get method, that's why it is taking time to get all the elements to load. So next one, it will click on this tab. So it is open in the new tab. So next I want to get the text. So here I'm getting that error. So what is error I'm getting? It is not interactable. Why? Because the element is no such error element. I'm getting this error. Why? Because that element is in the if you see here, it is in the another tab. So it has previously I was in this tab, afterwards I have switched to this tab, so I can't able to find that element. So to find that element, what I need to do, I have to switch to particular window. So to switch to that window, I'm going to be using a method called as a get window handle method. So what get window handle method will do means it will switch from one window to another window. Get window handle. So method how we are going to be writing get w window handle. So this is the method which when we open any website, we need to switching to the parent window to the child window. So this is the parent window and this is the child window. So whenever I'm clicking on this particular button, it is opening a new tab, or it is opening, suppose here I'm having a method which is opening with a new window. It is opening with a new window. The same thing, it is opening with a new window. So I want to open in the different window or different tab which is going to be handled by the get window handle. So I'm having another method called as a get window handles. Window handles. So get window handles is going to be handling a set of windows or multiple windows. Windows or set of tabs it is going to be handled. So here the get window handle will open all the windows which are in the child window. Suppose I am having 5-6 windows, so it will open the 5-6 windows. Suppose if I am having the 2 windows, it can open the 2 windows. For this one, so basically in interview also they are going to be asking what is the return type for get window handle. For get window handle it is a web element only. Why? Because it is handling only single window. For this one it is going to be handling a multiple windows. Sometimes what happen, it will open multiple windows. So if it is opening multiple windows, we have to get all that windows. So to get all those windows, we are going to be using get window handling as a return type as a set. So I don't want the duplicate windows. I want a single window which is opened by my application. So for that one, I am going to be using return type as a set. Set will as a string type which is going to be handling the string type. So it is a return type set is containing the return type as a single window called as a next one. I have to switch to window. So I have to switch method will be there. So switch method, what it will do, it is used to perform the switching operation from the child window to the main. We can use the action classes also here. So with the action classes, it will help to perform the actions based on the what window I have to switch. So suppose here I want to switch. Here I'm having a button. So for this one, I want to click on this one. I want to switch. So basically I want to switch to one window to another window. So to switch to one window to another window, what I can do, I can use one method. So I will use in a simple way. First I will use one program, google.com. Here I want to get this page title. Then I want to open with the new tab. Sorry. I want to open with the new tab and I want to get this page title. So to use this one, how I am going to be switching means we will write a one program. Okay, switch program. So I want to type here google.com. I want to switch to one window to another window. So to switch to one window to another window, what I can do here, first one I want to switch to this window and I want to switch to the another window. So to switch it to another window, what I am going to do means here I want to open Gmail window, Gmail tab, sorry. I want to open Gmail tab. So I want to use a Java executive script is equals to Java executive script on driver. I can directly write Java executive script script driver equals to which one I want to driver. You have to use this one, or else we can use JS equals to execute to script. So execute to script, I want to, what I want to do, I want to window dot open. Which one I want to open here? This http colon https colon mail dot google.com. So here I'm passing argument as a blank. I have not closed this one. So here I have to use single quotes. Here I have to use double quotes. So window dot open dot close. Just give me 1 second. Here blank dot description. So I will copy this one from another program. JavaScript executor window dot this one I'm copying. So syntactically I have did some mistake. So this one I have did mistake. So just syntactically I'm doing some mistake here in this one. Okay, so JavaScript I have used double quotes afterwards. That's why it is giving the error. So once I have switch to that window, what I want to do, main thing I have to switch to the new window. So switching to the new window, what I will do means I will use one method driver dot switch to window, so that it is going to be switching to the new window. If you want to switch to the new window, it is going to be switching to the new window. If I want to switch to the old window, it is going to be switching to the old window. So which window you want to switch, you can switch it. So first one, I want to switch to the window. So what I will use, I can use multiple windows. So set all tabs equals to, what I want to do, I want to switch to the window. So set is the method util method all windows. So what I want to do, I want to set the all the windows driver dot switch to driver dot get window handles. I want to get all the windows. So whatever the windows I'm having, I want to get all the windows. So I want to repeat, if any window is repeating, I'm going to be handling it as a string. I want to handle that one. So equals to iterator equals to all tabs dot next. So why I am taking all tabs dot next? It is consisting of all tabs dot iteratives. I want to iterate all windows, so I am going to be iterating all the windows. Once I have iterate all the windows, what I want to do, I want to switch to the first window. So I am going to driver dot switch tab, first tab, sorry, first tab iterate dot next. Next window dot next string. I want to switch to the first tab. Then if I want to switch to the second tab, what I am going to do, the same thing, I am going to be copying this one. I want to switch to the second tab. Second tab. I want to switch to the second tab. So first one I want to print. First one, what I want to do, I want to first, I'm having different window, driver switch to window. So which window I want to switch? I want to switch to the second window first. If you want to switch to the first window, you can switch to the first window. System.out.println get title of second win tab. Yes. So here what I want to get the title of the second window. So second I will use. Later I want to switch to the first window. Driver dot switch to window. Which window I want to switch? I want to switch to the first window. First tab. Println. You can use anyway. First tab first, second tab later. So I'm why, because I have written like this. So just for we will check whether it is working fine or not. So first one it has opened, second one. So here I got get title of some text value, I got it. What I need, actually what I need, I forgot it. Get title I want. Get title. So to get that title, what I need, driver dot get title. So you have passed only the string value. Driver dot get title. So I have printed iterative number. So I got that iterative number. Now I am getting the title. So this is the Google title and this is uh, secure smart title. See here. So this is the second title. I got it from the Gmail. This is the first title I got from the Google. If you want to switch first one, you want to switch to the first window, you can switch to the first tab. If you want to switch to the second tab, Suppose here I have put it the same as a first. So what it will do? See, both it has get the same title. So it has getting the title from the which window you want to switch. So that from the that tab only you are getting this value. So you can get the values from which tab you want to get. You can get that values from that particular tab. Okay. Okay, next one, what I want to do, basically here I want to uh, set with the windows, multiple windows I want to open. So for multiple windows, what I have did here, I want to switch to the child window to the parent window. So for this site, I want to open with this window. So here I want to get the get text of this window. Previously I am not able to get the text of this window. So the same program, what we can do for this one, in the previously we faced one issue that here switching that window, I have not switched to the particular window. So what I have to add, I have to use in that, I'm not going to the tab, I have to go to that particular tab and I have to get that window and I have to handle that one. The same thing we can handle it. So as of now, I want to handle with the multiple windows. Window handle. So this switching program, I want to get this URL. Next one, what I want to do, I want to click on this button. Window button ID, I'm having this one. Driver dot find element by dot ID. So that ID I'm passing it here. I want to click on this one. So I have clicked on this one. What I want to do, next one, I want to set the window handles to get the window handles. Window handle. To get the window handles, what I have did here in this program, I have used a set iteratives of get all windows handles. So these two lines I'm going to be copying it here. So I have set the windows handle and I have get all the windows. So once I have get all the windows, I have to, I'm checking with the iteratives, I'm checking with the while loop. While iterator, so while iterator has next. So what it has to do, it has to take from the child window. I have taken here two windows, first window and second window. I know that we having the two windows. Why? Because I have used two URLs. So, but here I don't know how many windows I will, how many child windows I will get. So that's why iterator dot next. So next, here I'm checking if it is main windows, if not main window handle, window, I'm going to be writing main window handle. So as I have to declare one window as a main window so that I can get this window handy. If I'm having, I want to set the main window. I have forgot to set this main window. 1 minute. So I'm taking this one as a string. String equals to, so I have to switch to the main window, driver dot get window handle. So one window is the main window, so that's why I'm switching to the main window. So I have taken one window is equal, ignore case, equals to child window means if it is equals to child window means you can say that there is no window. If it is not equals to the child window, what you have can do, you can driver dot switch to that particular window. What window you want to switch? You want to switch to the child window. If it is equals to the child window, no need to switch to the child window. Then what you have to do, I want to get the text. So web element text equals to driver dot find element by dot id. Id, what is that id? Here simple text, simple heading. I want to get this text. So once I get this text, I want to print the text. Window. Get text. So I'm getting this text. So it is working fine or not. We will see this one. So I have forgotten any close one. Everything is okay. Once I will save this one. I'm opening this one. It is not clicked. I think element is not interactable. Sometimes we are getting these issues due to the waiting issue. So I will put some breakpoints here. I want to run in the debug mode. Okay, let's run in the debug mode. So it has to click on this element. It has clicked on this element or not. This element, it is not clicked. Find element by dot click. Let's see again. We will start running. Restart. It is giving this ad. It is still loading this element. So that's why I have used the wait method. So it will wait for that element. Once it has waited for that element, what it will do, it has went to here. So I want to click on this one. So it has opened another window. See here, it has opened another window. So here what I want, I'm checking whether there is multiple windows or not. If there is multiple windows, um, if there is no multiple, it is checking one second times. It will switch to the child window and it will get the text and it will print the text. See, the heading of the child window is this is the sample page. So this is the sample page is the text. So it is printing this text. So we can switch to one window to the another window. We can switch to one tab to the another tab. So to switch to the one tab to the another tab, what we have did, we have used driver dot switch switch. So for example, I am having only two tabs. So in this previous program, I having only two tabs. So I have taken with one tab. This is another tab. So that's why I have taken. I have stored it in the get window handles and I have taken here. So for this program, I am not know how many windows are there in my current application. So what I have did means here I have taken all the windows, and if I want to close that window also I can close that window. Driver dot switch to the window. After getting the text, I want to close this window, so I can close this. Driver dot close means what it will do, it will directly close that window. So which window it is closing, let's see here. I have closed it here in the iterative. Let's see which window is going to be closing here. I am written inside the if condition. So once it is open, it will close only the child window. It is throwing error in. So I will run in the debug mode. So this one can be handled by using the synchronizations waits. Just give me 1 second. I will close all these windows. it has opened this window. So what I want to do, I want to close this window. So after getting, it has closed only the child window. See here, the parent window is alive here. So we can, if we want to close this child window, afterwards I want to switch to what I want to do in this iterative driver dot switch to main window. Switch to main window. So I can switch to the main window. Suppose if I am having multiple window, driver dot switch to default contents means it will directly switch to the main window. It will directly switch to the main window. So in which window you want to switch, you can switch to that particular window. Okay, this is all about the window handling.